Developing tonight, a Kingsland, Georgia woman is free on a $1 murder bond after being accused of taking pills to end her pregnancy.
We know tonight she did end up delivering the baby after taking the pills, but police say the baby died within an hour. That charge is not under Georgia's abortion law, but instead under the state's homicide law.
So that distinction is at the center of everything. Our Biljana Garland joins us now. Biljana, a law professor told you that nearly every step of this case raises some serious questions.
Yeah, she says it was a very complicated case, and Georgia's heartbeat law is relevant to this case, but not in the way that you might think. The pills 31-year-old Alexia Moore is accused of taking are used for abortions, and she was well beyond the state's 6-week limit. But the murder charge was filed under Georgia's homicide law.
On December 30th, police warrants say Alexia Moore arrived at a Camden County emergency room complaining of abdominal pain. Medical staff learned she was pregnant, and she told them she had taken 8 pills consisting of misoprostol, a drug commonly used in medication abortions Moore ordered online, along with the opiate oxycodone she received, quote, off the street. The warrants say she was 22 to 24 weeks pregnant, far beyond Georgia's 6-week abortion limit. The infant was delivered and survived with a heartbeat for about 1 hour before being declared dead. Warrants say Moore did not know how far along she was. On March 4th, Kingsland police arrested Moore and charged her with felony murder. But the charge was not filed under Georgia's abortion law. It was filed under the state's homicide statute.
She is being charged under Georgia's homicide law, not under Georgia's criminal abortion law.
She says Georgia's definition of abortion includes the word, quote, using, which a prosecutor could argue applies to a woman who takes a pill herself.
A prosecutor who really wants to send a message could try to interpret kind of the open-ended, vague language of the Life Act to prosecute and bring a criminal abortion charge.
At a bond hearing Monday, the Superior Court judge called the charge, quote, extremely problematic and said it would be, quote, a hard charge to convict upon.
I think it's just going to be a difficult case to bring if they get to a jury trial. I mean, there's so many factors in here that could change the outcome of this case.
Adding to the uncertainty, the district's attorney's office revealed in court that police never consulted them before filing the charge. The DA did not oppose the $1 bond, and for the murder charge to proceed, the DA would need to bring the case to a grand jury. And tonight, his office has not indicated whether they intended to do that. Moore is represented by the Georgia Public Defender Council, who declined an on-camera interview, but sent a statement saying she is entitled to the presumption of innocence. The Kingsland police chief also did not respond to our request for comment. Biljana Garland, First Coast News, on your side.